Hello, I'm Kim Christopher, Program Director for SlimGenics. Today I have the honor of speaking with world-renowned nutritionist and pharmacognosist, Dr. Dennis Jones. Thanks for being with us, Dr. Jones.
It's a pleasure.
So many people are nervous about getting too much fat in their diet, but actually certain types of fat are very important, especially in maintaining overall health. Dr. Jones, you're an expert on essential fatty acids and the role they play in successful weight loss, inch loss, and nutritional health. Can you tell me about the omega family of fats and why they're so essential to the SlimGenics program?
Yes, we've known about essential fatty acids for more than 80 years, but our knowledge has constantly expanded. And in fact, during the last 20 years, we know that essential fatty acids of the omega-6 and omega-3 family are used by the body to make substances which I would like to call hormones at a cellular level. And these substances, which used to be called prostaglandins but now called eicosanoids, a long name, let's just call them hormones at a cellular level. They are involved in just about every biochemical and physiological process in the body. We also know it's essential that there is a good balance between these substances. They belong to 3 different families, 2 of which come from the omega-6 essential fatty acids, and 1 which comes from the omega-3. And if the balance is not maintained, then things can go wrong with the body. Scientifically, we refer to this as maintaining homeostasis, which means keeping the body in good balance. And they are important in weight loss as well because they also keep the metabolism tuned, and they keep it tuned optimally. We know that essential fatty acids are involved in thermogenesis, or increasing the metabolic rate. This is probably because they get involved in the actual process of generating energy within cells. As I said, they get involved in a lot of processes in the body. But I have to stress that the amount and the proportion is extremely important. And your Omega Slim product contains what I call partially activated essential fatty acids of the 2 families. In other words, they've already been partly converted into these substances that the body uses in the cells. And your Omega Slim product is also in the right proportions. And taken at the recommended level, nobody will ever suffer from essential fatty acid deficiency.
So essential fatty acids must be in the right balance, the right proportion, and they're necessary for every cell and tissue in the body and for all the chemical reactions in the body. Exactly.
And it was only during the last 20 years or so that studies at Harvard showed that about half the American population is subclinically deficient in essential fatty acids. Not deficient enough that they start losing hair and having dry skin, but sufficiently deficient that you can detect it by simple biochemical tests of their blood. And who knows what's happening inside.
So essential fatty acids are essential for life.
Exactly.
Thank you, Dr. Jones.
You're very welcome.